What is going on today, YouTube? Today, I want to show you guys how to use the TD Ameritrade mobile app. And for this video, I'm going to switch over and you'll just see my phone screen. But if you're new to my channel, I make daily stock market videos just trying to teach you guys things I wish I knew when I first started. So if you like this kind of content, leave a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and share it to someone else. So let's get into it. But for this video, we're going to look. That's the TD Ameritrade. Now, right now, I have a watch list. But I'm going to show you guys how cool this app is. You can get everything you need on here to trade. We're going to use JNUG for this example. But that button right there just kind of shows you. You can see its volume, its PC ratio, the bid, the ask, open, close, everything. You can see it all up there. You can go down. You can see the chart. I have it on a 6-month a day, but you can have any chart. Go on here. You can see the minute chart. You can go on 6-month day, whatever. You can go to edit styles and you can make whatever style you want. It's set up just like the regular Thinkorswim platform on the computer, but you can have candle, you can have bar, you can have the volumes on or off, calendar events that'll show you like the dividends or the earnings per share, anything. You just change all the candles in there. But we're just going to hit cancel for now. Go back. And then if you even want to add studies onto your chart, you just hit that second one down right below the candles. Studies comes up. And right now I just have on the DEMA, which is going to be that green line you guys see around all the candles that goes above and below. The VWAP, RSI, and the momentum. And you can go into their settings. You can make them time frame, day. You can go into the RSI, the length 14. You can change all the stuff in here. It's just like your regular platform. And you can make every single study that's on the regular computer-based platform is also on your mobile device now. You can go back. You can even put your alerts on, see your positions, working orders, drawings. You can take them on or off. See how that deletes the lines in the background if I take that off. You can even get your crosshairs, figure out where the price is, what date it is, since each candle here is a day. But you can do everything on the mobile device now. If you even want to put new lines in, you hit this drawing style. You can hit new. Trend line, price level, whatever you want. But you say you want to put the trend line. Tap your first point. Right there, tap your second point, wherever. You can drag it along. You can make new trend lines. And down here you can see I have the RSI indicators. I have the momentum SMA down here. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can look at everything on your phone now. It's a really nice app. And if you guys were just interested in what this app can do and what's out there, I just want to show you. You can go right in their news. It's all right there. If you guys are looking for an online mobile app, this is the one I use all the time. I think it's very user-friendly. It's nice to use. It's easy. You can see at the bottom here where you have quotes, you have your positions, you have your orders, you have your alerts down there, and more. That's just your messages, calendar, and all that other fun stuff. You even have your options here. If you ever want to go into a trade, say you want to do a trade on JNUG, you go to the top right corner of the app, hit that trade button. And here you can do limit, you can do buy or sell. That just changes by 100, but if you actually want to change, say you don't want to go in 100 increments, you just click on that 100, you change, say you want to buy 50, or how many ever you want to buy. You hit confirm in the top right if you want to confirm your position, and then you can either have it set up to take your fingerprint. If you have a fingerprint scanner, it'll come up and ask you for either your password or your fingerprint scanner if you have that set up. Fingerprint scanner is nice because you can get into your trades a lot quicker. It's a lot easier that way. So if this video helped you in using the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim app, or just showed you how to use it if you didn't know it was out there, Leave a like on the video, subscribe to my channel. I make daily stock market videos just trying to teach you guys stuff I wish I knew when I first started. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and share the video to someone else that could use it. And I will see you guys tomorrow.